Model, 2014 Peugeot Partner 1.6 HDI 92850 SL1. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 143412. MOT, the 9th of May 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 DTED. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Start and drive brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash, moted, ready to get in and go to work. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.